Hey, rich friends, it's your girl Cha Cha reporting live from the Money Mantra, and we are back with another Forex education video. I created my channel to help as many people as possible become independent and profitable traders, no matter which market you're in. So, if that's something that you're looking for, make sure that you hit the subscribe button because I post a lot of content for beginners where you guys can really learn how to trade. Now, if you are new here, I do want to give you a special welcome and just thank you for spending time with me today and inviting me on your Forex journey. This channel is designed for people just like you, and I have so many different playlists that you can explore that are specific to indicators, strategies, candlesticks, or anything you may be struggling with at this time. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back and rocking with the channel. I love when you guys ask questions in the comments, when you share the videos, because it does not go unnoticed. My channel would not be where it is without each and every one of my amazing subscribers. So again, just thank you all for being a part of the Money Mantra Money Team. I love it. So in today's quick video, we're going to be talking about a very simple concept. Well, a lot of these concepts on the channel are simple, but we're going to be talking about swing highs and swing lows. Now, this may or may not be something that you've heard about before, but if you've ever looked at a chart, you've definitely seen it. Now, swing highs refer to the highest place on the chart that you can see, and swing lows refer to the lowest place on the chart that you can see. And it's important to be able to identify these even without any indicators or additional technical analysis, because this is all price action, and these are going to be the areas that you target for your TPs and you target for your SLs. Now, if you're new here, TP stands for take profit. This is a number that you set or a price that you set in the market where you get out in profit. And a stop loss is where you exit the market before you lose too much money. Now, the swing highs and swing lows are going to be what you really want to pay attention to, because in a buying market, you'll notice that the market is going to be creating higher highs. Now, what this means is we can see that the market has been pushing up for this stretch of time, and we can see that at one point this was a high. But then as the market climbed, it literally created higher highs. And this is actually going to continue to happen until we reach a peak known as the swing high. And this is always where the market is trying to get back to if you're in for a buy. And the swing low will be where the market is trying to get back to if you're in for a sell. Now, why is this important to you? Because if you know what the previous high was, you know where you should set your profit target, because most likely that's an area that the market is going to revisit. So I'm just going to put the chart in replay mode, and we're going to go back to here, right? We're going to go back to this place here, right? So now if we look at this point in the chart, we can see that this was the swing high because this was the highest place on the chart that we can see. Now, when it comes to swing highs and swing lows, your eyes should naturally be drawn to that place because, again, it's the highest. And then we can see that we have a swing low here. Now, what confirms the buying trend is that this low, the new low, is not as low as the previous low. And then the new low is not as low as the previous low. So again, we're creating higher lows, right? In a buying market, you'll be creating higher highs, right? And then you'll also be creating higher lows, right? So if that makes sense and you guys are following along so far, just go ahead and drop a 7 down below in the comment box so I know that this is making sense. Now, since we can see that this is our previous high, if we were to enter this trade for a buy, based on the fact that we can see that this is a buying market, we would want to target our swing high as our take profit. And you can use your swing low as your stop loss. So let's just go ahead and hit play and see what happens in this trade. And if it's a true buying market, it should go ahead and hit TP at that previous swing high, creating a new high. And then you'll see once the market creates enough swing highs, eventually it will come down and try to target those swing lows. Now we can see this is exactly what happened. It pushed up and now it's going to come back down and try to target these lower areas. Now, trading is really so simple. It doesn't have to be hard and you don't have to complicate it for yourself. If you can identify swing highs and swing lows in the market, you can definitely find yourself being a more profitable trader. Now, let's just go ahead and look at a swing low example, and then we will go ahead and wrap this video up. So I'm going to look for a nice swing low example because remember, swing lows are going to be the lowest place that you can see on your chart. Now we can see GBP USD has been buying for some time. So let's just see if we can find a sell example. But sell examples are pretty much the opposite of the buy examples, right? This market has been buying for a while. It has been buying for some time. All right. So let's look here. Okay. So if we were to look at this stretch of our chart, we can see that this was the lowest place that price had been, and this was the highest place that price had been. So we have our swing high at the top, and we have our swing low at the bottom. Now, since the market has hit a swing high, it only makes sense that it's going to come down and is going to target these previous lows, potentially coming back down to this very low. So let's just go ahead and hit play. Let's put our horizontal lines on. We have our swing high, and we should pretty much touch all of these black lines here, getting back down to the swing low. So let's just go ahead and see what happens, right? We see that the market is coming down. We see that the market is continuing to sell. Now, this is the daily time frame. You can do this on any time frame. So we see that the first line, TP1, would have been hit. We see that TP2 would have been hit. We see that the market is continuing to go down, right? And this is all about market structure, right? If you guys can identify those swing highs and swing lows, if you can identify those highs and lows, you'll always have entry points for your trades, right? So this market is just going to continue to go up and down. And what you're going to see is that it's going to continue to target previous areas that it's already been, aka those swing highs and swing lows. So I really hope that this video was helpful. If you guys have any additional questions about swing highs and swing lows, you can feel free to drop those questions down below in the description box, and I will answer them to the best of my ability. If you guys want to register for a personal mentorship, you can find that information also down below in my description box. I do have a course which puts the videos in a cohesive order so that you can learn at your own pace on your own time and really become a profitable trader. There's also a weekly class on Sundays that I host on Zoom, and I do post signals every week on Telegram for the people that I'm currently mentoring. So if you guys have any questions about that or you want any more information, again, all the information is below. And I look forward to connecting with y'all outside of YouTube. But that's really all I have for you guys today. Until next time, Rich.